Lesson 4. Know your birds. Let's read. The Peacock and the Crane. Once upon a time, Peacock lived in a forest beside a lake. He was very proud of his beauty. Every day he used to go to the lake. There he looked at his own reflection in the water. Oh, what a beautiful bird am I! My feathers and wings are so beautiful, he used to say to himself. One day a crane came to live by the lake. The peacock saw the crane. He murmured, "A new visitor is here to stay. I must go and introduce myself to him." So the peacock walked to the lake. The crane was busy there. He was catching fish for lunch. The proud peacock spread out his colorful feathers for display. Then he said to the crane, "Hello, Mr. Crane. Welcome to the forest. I am your neighbor." "Thank you so much, Mr. Peacock," the crane said. The peacock then mocked at the crane. "Why do you have such colorless feathers? You look so ordinary." The crane replied, "Yes, I don't have beautiful feathers and wings like yours, but I can fly across the lake with the help of my wings. Can your feathers help you fly?" There was no reply from the peacock. He felt ashamed and went away. Word trove, so murmured, M-U-R-M-U-R-E-D. Murmured means said in a very low voice. Next is introduce. I-N-T-R-O-D-U-C-E. Introduce means make known. Next is neighbor. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R. Neighbor means someone living next door. Next is mocked. M-O-C-K-E-D. Mocked means made fun of. So let's learn. A weaver bird can weave a nest. An owl can see at night. A vulture can fly very high in the sky. A cuckoo can sing sweet notes. A peacock can dance in the rain. A hen can lay eggs. So, it's rhyme time. The bird in the cage. Bird in the cage, bird in the cage, will you fly away on a warm sunny day? Bird in the cage, I will break your bars and will fly to the stars. Thank you.